Hey everyone, today I will show you how to change TikTok notification sound. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Right, let's get started. First, open Settings, then scroll down to Apps, then tap on Apps. Then scroll down till you find TikTok app or you could type in its name on the search bar above. Now tap on Notifications. Here you will see a lot of adjustments you could do, such as allowing notification if someone commented on your video, or if someone liked your video or got mentioned, and so on. So if you want to change any of that, just tap on the option you want to change. For example, I will change mentions notification. Now I got not too many options, so I can either disable the mentions notification or change its sound to whatever I like and some other settings to choose from. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.